Hello, and welcome back. Man, it's Good Friday, and I got my little boy in here with me. His name's Jake. He's kind of cuckoo and his breath smells bad, man. I'm gonna let him stay. Got a little story to tell you all about little Leon. Now, little Leon, when he was a little younger, him and his little cousin, I think his name was Billy, they were walking down the road. They decided to go play in the woods, you know? And man, they had to eat some breakfast, some pampadu, and it made their stomach kind of upset, you know, with a lot of syrup on there and some coffee milk, you know, and all that together kind of like, ooh, made their stomach feel bad. So they both had to use the bathroom, you know, do number two. Y'all know what I mean. Man, and so they got out there in the woods, and Liliana, he said, man, Billy, man, you think we can go and poo in the woods, boy? And Billy said, man, yeah, Liliana, I think it's going to be okay. So they go, boy, and they go away in the woods, and they both stoop down, and they try to poo, and they hear something in the brush, you know. When they both look, and boy, you know, by this time, they both had their pants down, and they stooping down for pooing, you know. And Billy asked Liliana, he said, man, Liliana, you heard that? Liliana said, man, yeah. He said, man, you scared? Liliana said, man, no. He said, what about you, Billy? You scared? Billy D, man, no. Oh, all good, you know. They kept on going and kept on pooing. And, man, it's like that whatever was in them woods got closer. Man, yeah. But Billy said, Liliana, he said, man, you scared? Man, no. He said, Billy, you scared? Man, no. Okay. But they kept on. They're about to finish up, you know. They're getting close to being finished pooing, you know. And man, they hear something right there, boy. It's like, man, Billy said, Lilian, you scared, boy? Me no. He said, you scared, Billy? Billy said, me no. He said, Lilian. He said, you sure you're not scared? Lilian said, man, no, Billy, why you keep asking me that? He said, man, I'm trying to figure out why you wiping my butt instead of yours. And Lilian, he's something else, shiver. But that's all I got for today. It's Good Friday. Y'all have a good one. I'm off of work, me. I hope y'all are too. If y'all not, man, you know, tell y'all boss that, you know, they not right for that. But anyway, I don't want to start no trouble. I gotta go. For me and my little boy right there. You know, I'll see y'all later. Bye-bye. And as I say inside Scarecrow, au revoir plus tard, mes amis.